Declaration of non-forgiveness of the sin of all heavens and hell, the sin against my holistic name. I do not forgive the sin, the abuse of power by black masons, black builders, heat, and destroyers disguised as creators, termites disguised as parents or pillars, red sun zombies, and lunatics, the reverse or opposite of everything that was made to build and create the opposite of name. I do not forgive the sin cancer, Catholic, Buddhist cancer, Muslim Catholic, or the sin cursed in the form of reminders, lectures, or praises of black seat. I am the child, I do not sin. I am not their seat disguised as Raphael Lucifer. I do not acknowledge or forgive the sins of the wicked, evil, hollow, cursed, true, none, o sinister, or beast. I do not forgive the sin of the murder of man, slavery, and dehumanization. I do not forgive the sin of tampering with my name and inverting my sovereign name. I do not forgive the sin of tabernacle and of temple. From resentment, and then their crazy laughter. How many times have they deprived my name of justice and favor? I do not forgive the sin of Muslims, Orthodox Christians, their angels, Hindus, snakes, expatriates, or whatever their names are. I do not see their dignity as heaven, the kingdom, or the castle. I am not the wicked. I am not the opposite. I am not the sin. I am not a prototype. I am a living, breathing human being. I am the aggrieved child. I am not the accused or accrued child. I am not the sinner. I am not a vampire, predator, or Dracula. I do not forgive the sin of the cruel maid in my name that ensures disadvantages go to me, while they get the convenience and favor of the future that should have been mine, something I need to grow when I was still in my childhood. I am the aggrieved child. I am not a sinner. I am the heartbeat. Being the aggrieved child, I am still entitled to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights of 1948, and I was born in 1983. I do not owe them anything, not to their you, not even to their us or their we. I do not forgive the sin of those who disrupted my speech skills. I am not their Moses, Balais, or Trump. I do not forgive the sin of those who disguise as victim to get what is mine, as the offended victim or as the aggrieved child. I do not forgive the sin of those users or those who use my name to prove that people who are non-sinners can be imprisoned or to put shame on those who stand by it. There is no reason for them to perpetually harm me because I do not owe them, nor their empire stolen from me. They think that they are me who needs to sue and that I am them who needs to pay them. It was a switch inspired their Frances hooligan thugs. It is a disgusting crime. Their 43 years are over. I do not forgive the sin of black mafia, yakuza, France, Russia, French colonies, French Vietnam, Komintang, France Netherlands, French corporation, French fries, or French masonry. I do not forgive the sin of Mauron Caoron or thieves who favored the kidnappers and took advantage of the situation. I do not forgive the sin of lawyers, prosecutors, congressmen, senators, attorneys, and chief justices who corrupted the justice system, not only in the Philippines but internationally as well. I am not a communist or leftist. I do not forgive the sin of Inesweet or zombies, the illegal core or the illegal connection. I am the Estweet child, not the Inesweet or Etsu. I do not forgive the sin of W and of S or Z. I am never their infants reduced. I am the heartbeat. I am the heartbeat, and not their Emmanuel Macron or Philip. I never received imperial or kingdom revenue, royal allowances or stipends, church dividends, tax, digital coins per diem, appanage, tax revenue, or even the treasure that which my name is entitled. What a shame! France, Italy, Spain, Sweden, Denmark, Deutschland, Portugal, England, the Netherlands, Belgium, the European Union, and all kingdoms of empire. I do not forgive the people of kingdom where Lanka and Kal are being managed and which is behind these crimes done by Pabrika, Factoria, Factory Plantilla, or the government. I am not a food for vampires and bloodsuckers. Such bullshit from scholars, masters, wise men, councilmen, elders, aristocrat nobles, whores, and bastards. I am not and I do not deserve to be treated like a criminal, bastard, or hoe. Hindi ako makapagtanggol ng sarili, ni hindi ako makapagreklamo, ni makapaghabla, dahil hindi ako tinuruan man lang magdasal o manungkulan sa kaharian. They call me by different names, yet my computer and bank account are depleted. I do not forgive the sin of the Aquino clan, Tuason, C, Gokong Wei, Coseteng, Oreta, Manzano, Mendoza, Yap, Salvador Cruz, Abilada, D. Lampa, Cojuangco, Quiambao, Aguilar, and the De Los Santos clan forever treason. Treason is unforgiven because there is no life after death. I do not forgive their international crimes in my computer themed as France, Romania, China, and PC, Hong Kong, and Switzerland. I do not forgive the sin of Pangilinan clan, Lopez Sobel clan, Zimmerman, Sawaroma, Bravo Bravia, Asisio Atienza clan, Tan Mendoza clan, De Ocampo, Villar, Benitez clan, Alphaland Incorporators, Silver Sulfur, Mandaya, Dasha, IBM. I do not forgive the sin of the Zodiac computers. I am the heartbeat. They used my microphone or my computer. I am certain that I am entitled to the kingdom's wealth and favor that they deprived me of through my name. Sir Jeffrey Hanoyan.